Hello, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the control board on your Samsung electric range. If you've experienced symptoms like your range not heating properly, the cooling fan not running, or unresponsive touch controls, it may be time to examine or replace this crucial component. Before we jump into the repair, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward and helpful do-it-yourself appliance repair tips. Let's get this thing sorted out so you can get back to cooking with ease. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your range or turn the breaker off. Remove the screws from the back of the range and set the panel aside. Locate the board. It should be right in front of your face. For this test, the range needs to be plugged in and powered on. Please be very careful to protect yourself from electric shock, which has a potential to cause serious injury. Don't ever test for voltage if you're uncomfortable using a multimeter. Let's make this part easy. Go to the connector for the blower motor. Set your multimeter to volts AC, and without unplugging the connector, insert a probe into each wire connector. Turn the oven on to bake and watch the display. Once the temperature in the oven gets above 200 degrees, the fan should come on and you should get a voltage reading of 120 volts AC. If the voltage is there and the motor does not run, the motor is bad. If there's no voltage and no wires appear to be broken or burned, the board is defective and will need to be replaced. If you found out that your oven control is faulty, let's replace it. Make sure the power is turned off or the oven is unplugged, and please be very careful. Since there are so many individual wires, let's do this the smart way and replace one wire at a time. We need to remove the Phillips head screws that hold the control. Our test unit only has 2, but your board should have 4. Here's the old oven control, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Take the new control board and screw it into place under the old board. Now we can transfer the wires one at a time from the old board to the new one. If all is well, install the rear panel and you're done. Don't forget to turn the power back on or plug the range back in. Great job getting your Samsung electric range back on track by testing and replacing the control board. We'd love to hear how your repair process went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you need a new control board or any other parts, just have your model number ready and head to AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. We're glad to have been part of your repair journey, and we look forward to tackling your next project together.